Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to be looking at Unit 8, Lesson 7. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to combine like terms. All right, so let's get started. First off, combining like terms is just simplifying, it's making it smaller. Now, what can we combine? Well, first off, before we do anything else, I want to talk about the different parts, okay? Let's review last lesson. Last lesson, we talked about that this here, this partnership, that was our, we called that our variable term, remember? And we said that the variable and the number, they go together, okay? Then we talked about, and let me get a different color. We talked about this here being what we call the constant term. And the constant term doesn't change because it doesn't have a variable to change it, okay? So with that being said, we can always combine constants together and we can always combine variables together. So to do that, notice that they're adding everything. So I can, to simplify this, I can say 12x plus, that plus sign right here goes with that 7x. So I can say that 12x plus 7x equals 19x, 19 times a number. Now, I can also say that this 1 and the 10 goes with this plus. I can combine them because they're both the same. So I can come back over here and say plus, because I got to use that plus sign, and I can say 1 plus 10 is 11. And now I've combined all the like terms. Okay. All right, so let's look at this one. So 7x, okay, I can say plus 2x, because remember the plus in front of the x, 2x comes together. That gives me 9x. Then I can say plus 4, but there's no other constant. So I'm going to say I now have 9x, and I'm going to take the part that I haven't used, the plus 4. And now I've simplified. Okay? Looking at 12, I can put these two together. Remember, that's 1n. Oh, and that's plus 2n. So I get 3n. Now I can combine 17 and 3. So it's 17 plus 3 equals 20. Now I've used this, this, and this. The only thing I haven't used is the plus. So it would be 3n plus 20. All right, go ahead and pause. Oh, let's do these some more together. All right, so we have 9r minus 5r. So 9r minus 5r gives us 4r plus 11. Okay, we can combine the k's. I have 2k plus 1k equals 3k. And I have 14 minus 8 is 6. And then I have to keep that plus sign there because I didn't use it. All right, so here we go. 1 plus 8 is 9. And then I have 2w plus 6w is 8w. Use that, use the plus, use this, and this. So all that's left is the plus that goes between. Okay, here we go. 10 plus 2 gives me 12. And 6 minus 5 gives me 1p, or just p. And then I have the plus. All right, now it's your turn to pause the video. Go ahead and try these 4 problems, then come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, so I can combine 9x with minus 3x. That gives me 6x. So 9x minus 3x equals 6x plus 2x. So now I have 8x, and I still haven't used Oh, Miss Oakley got that one completely wrong. She wasn't looking at her screen very well. Let's try that one again. 9x plus 2x, that gives me 11x. For some reason, I thought that was an x next to the 3, but it wasn't. It was y. So 9x plus, now we have 7y minus 3y is 4y. Okay, so here we go. We can combine 3b plus 11b gets me 14b. And I can say 8a minus 1a is 7a. And then I got to put that plus that I didn't use right here back in. Okay, 2m minus 1m equals m, or 1m, plus 8n, I can't combine that, plus 14. Let's simplify. Okay, let's combine our r's in this last problem. 8r minus 2r is 6r plus 4s plus 1s is 5s. All right, great job. You are done with Unit 8, Lesson 7. I will see you back here for Unit 8, Lesson 8. But go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I will continue your journey until you come back for the next video.